One of the benefits of using Sharkbites is that you can install a end cap without actually shutting off the water. Just cut the 1/2-inch CPVC pipe after you relieve a little pressure on the system. First time it didn't make it, second time I'm pushing it in, and then you shut off the water. Another good use of using Sharkbites is when you have, in this case, the pipe is broken inside the wall. So you chip it out a little bit, try to get some of the old glue off. And I try different techniques. I didn't have sandpaper, I just happened to have this in the truck. And try to sand it as best as you can. And you still have some glue there. So then I use a sanding block, which I also had in the truck. And then you get it to the point where it's nice and clean, and then you just install the push Sharkbite coupling and then the Sharkbite elbow, connect your pipe, and the job is done. It took about 15 minutes. I was in the middle of another job. It's a quick way to fix it.